Insert the left-hand locator pin into the locator hole and push the right-hand locator pin into the latch. Attach the carer control arm. Align the arrows on the plug and socket before gently pushing together. Screw tight the connecting rings. Slide the left-hand side of the battery into the holder. Push the right-hand side of the battery down to click in place. Lock the battery to secure it in place. Latch the link bar over the ball pin. Lift the bionic buddy up to lock in place. Lift the plunger to drop the motor into engagement. Switch the battery on. Gently twist the throttle to propel the trike forward. Adjust the grip level by turning the adjustment knob. Turn anti-clockwise to increase grip. Turn clockwise to prevent juddering on pull-off.